Welcome to our comprehensive guide on sales orders in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Sales orders play a crucial role in streamlining sales processes and managing customer orders efficiently. In this video, we'll explore the concept of sales orders, their significance, and how Business Central simplifies sales order management. Sales orders are critical documents that represent confirmed agreements between customers and sellers. They include vital information such as customer details, products, quantities, delivery dates, prices, and payment terms. Let's take a look at a practical example. AdventureWorks, a retailer, orders 50 units of product A and 30 units of product B. The order date is January 20th, 2025. With a delivery date set for January 25, 2025. Imagine you're at Homestyle Designs, a furniture company, where managing orders and inventory manually has become a challenge. Orders are often delayed due to stock mismatches. Sales orders capture these details and serve as the foundation for inventory allocation, picking, shipping, and invoicing. Business Central streamlines sales order management with a step-by-step process. The first step involves creating a sales order by entering customer details, item details, quantities, delivery date, and payment terms in the sales order form. Next, Business Central checks stock availability for the ordered products and reserves stock to ensure their availability for the customer. Once the order is confirmed, a picking list is generated for the warehouse team to pick the items. The order is then shipped, and a sales invoice is created. The shipping process is initiated, and a sales invoice is generated to document the transaction. Let's explore how Homestyle Designs transformed their sales process with Business Central. Homestyle Designs, a furniture company, faced challenges managing customer orders, inventory, and invoicing manually, leading to delayed orders and customer dissatisfaction. Homestyle Designs implemented Business Central to automate the sales order process. By leveraging Business Central, Homestyle Designs achieved significant improvements. Here are some guidelines to use sales orders effectively in Business Central. Ensure customers, items, and prices are correctly set up in Business Central before creating sales orders. Regularly update stock levels and use reservation features to allocate stock to specific sales orders. Customize sales order templates to include company branding and required fields. Use dashboards and reports to track open, shipped, and invoiced orders. Use workflows to approve orders and set up automatic reminders for overdue payments. Ensure all users understand how to create and manage sales orders efficiently. Integrate sales orders with the warehouse, finance, and CRM modules for seamless operations. Sales orders simplify order management in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. With Business Central, you can streamline sales processes, reduce manual tasks, and improve customer satisfaction. Subscribe to Goms Tech Talks channel for more tutorials on Business Central.